Welcome to the letter T in the Incy alphabet, bite-sized lettering tutorials for your busy life. Today we're going to be combining a few of our past techniques from the letter I, where we had the inset area with the shadow, and also the letter E, where we had added leaves to embellish our letter. Now, this one is going to be a little bit different because we're going to have the leaves flowing across the letter, like a fall wind is just pulling them across. So they're not going to be part of the letter, but rather they're going to be an embellishment that could be used as part of a larger piece. First of all, you want to start by drawing your T. Just like when we did the I, this is composed of some rectangles. First, draw two lines straight down your page that are parallel to one another. Next, on the bottom, you're going to add a small rectangle. It can be helpful to draw the rectangle all the way across to ensure that you get straight lines and that your letter looks consistent. Then you can go in and erase the extra portions that you've created. Now moving up to the top, we're going to create a long, skinny rectangle all the way along the top that is at least as wide as the body on each side. We do want to try to ensure that it's the same distance on each side. So for instance, if it's this far out on this side, it should be that same distance on the other side. Go through and make this rectangle as tall as the one down below. Then you can erase the portion in the middle that would overlap. Our next section is to create the serif coming off of the ends of the T. These should be about the same width as this rectangle. Draw a line down extending on both sides, and then create a rectangle that's the same width as the height of the others. Again, they should fall down to about the same distance. So if you need to draw a little guideline across to help you, that is totally fine. Our last step is to curve out these serifs because it looks just way too harsh if they're straight like this. From approximately 1/3 of the way up to that same distance on the vertical portion, you're going to create a gentle curve to connect those 2 points. Do the same on the other side, 1/3 of the way up, and then that same portion over, and again, create a nice gentle curve. Now you can go in and erase all of those extra areas of your T, and then we're done for the day. I do notice that we forgot to put our don't worry mark, so put a mark somewhere on your page so that you don't have to worry about it being perfect. Next day, we're going to start to add in those leaves that will be flowing through our T and look at where they should be placed in order to ensure the legibility, always so important, of the letter we've created.